How you doing, folks? My name is Nick Syracuse here at Romano Volkswagen. I want to show you a real cool feature on the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. One nice feature is what I really like about the Atlases are the ease on the Apple CarPlay. Very easy to take care of. Now, what is Apple CarPlay? Basically, it's your apps come right up on the screen, just like it would be on your cell phone. So to start it out, you use your factory USB cable or charge cord that came with your phone. We'll plug it into this port here, this data port. Turn on the vehicle, okay, and get the radio all powered up like you normally would. Okay, my cable, excuse me. And we'll plug this right into the phone here. Make sure Siri is enabled and your location is enabled on your phone. What this does is gives you all your phone and all your apps right up on the screen. Pretty quick, very easy. Now, if your car does not come, or a car you pick out does not come with navigation, it's not a problem because you'll have navigation right off your phone. You don't need your phone anymore, and comes right up on the screen. Really pretty easy. Well, once again, thanks again, folks, for looking at this one neat Apple CarPlay feature of the 2018 Atlas. Come out and see me. I hope to talk to you real soon. Thank you very much.